Simon, why are these kids always shouting Python, Python these days? Is it a new snake in the city?
No, Deva. It's the most loved programming language now. Even a coolie like us can learn to code and build AI.
Ayayo. Then show me how to tame this Python today itself.
All right, Deva. Let's begin. Python is a programming language just like how we use Telugu to talk. Python is how we talk to a computer.
So computers listen only to Python AA, not Tamil or Telugu.
No. Computers understand many languages. Java, Python, but Python is simple. Even you can write a program in 5 minutes.
So it's like shortcut for coding.
Exactly. That's why it's famous among kids, engineers, even scientists. This is your first Python line. Deva.
Print, welcome to Coolie Coders. Haha, I like this print business. One command and computer listens.
Print is like telling the computer to say something. Whatever you give inside, quotes it will display on screen.
Then can I say, print, I am superstar.
Of course, try it. Well,
This is too easy, Simon. I feel like I'm the computer's director.
And we just started. Tomorrow, I'll teach you variables. Like storing your secrets inside a name.
I'll come with notebook and filter coffee. Let's shake Python's tail.
Python is easy to learn. You can talk to the computer using simple words. Start with print. To display anything, get ready for day 2. Variables.
If we coolies can learn Python, so can you. Subscribe. Hit bell icon and come tomorrow for more.